Hey folks, this is Adam from 911 Reviews. Today we've got a very nice magnifying glass for you to check out. This, let me show you the box first and foremost. It's a 3 LED handheld magnifier. It can be used for jewelry, for all sorts of applications, medicine, gardening, coin stamp, education, jewelry, geography, home and office, industrial purposes, circuit boards, and the printing industry. Now, my brother is big into soldering and welding. That's how he makes his career. Electronics, he would use this all day, every day. But I'm going to show you with some of the watches, and we've reviewed at least this center watch on a previous review, as well as this watch case in a previous review. So go ahead and check those out. This is a Bulova watch. Bulova, I believe is correct. I always say Bulova, and my wife corrects me, Bulova. So you can see how the magnifying glass, first off, does have a light, 3 LED light, and it particularly will focus, and now it's going to be a little hard to see, but you can check out the super zoom magnification there, and then just the regular magnification, which is going to be a lot easier to see on screen here. So it does magnify considerably. It is a nice LED. It it requires 3 AAA batteries, you can see. And that's nice to note that there's too many things nowadays that require weird batteries. Easy to install, easy to use. It's overall a very nice magnifying glass at a very good price. Okay, the glass, it's not plastic, so it's a little high end. If it is plastic, it's some sort of very high quality resin. Light's good, looks good, feels good, very lightweight, easy to hold, handle is comfortable. I'll go ahead and give it a good recommendation. I'll put an Amazon link in the description below. Pick one up for yourself, and you're gonna dig this fantastic 3 LED handheld magnifier. I'm Adam from 911 Reviews. Go ahead and check this out. Click like and subscribe. We promise to bring you new, fun videos with, unique products several times a week. We're 911 Reviews. Adios, amigos. One thing I forgot to mention is it does come with this handy carrying bag. It feels like velvet. Pretty good quality, and it pulls tight. Also, it comes with a keychain magnifier. It's like a loop that a jeweler would use. And again, a nice quality loop. So go ahead and check it out. Amazon link in the description below.
And don't forget to check out our favorite product review and tech gadget page, 911reviews.com. 911 is a fun, energetic, and entertaining YouTube page for your favorite phones, outdoor gear, and pretty much anything in your Amazon shopping cart. If you love pop culture, entertainment, and a little bit of science, then check out the link in the description below.